Hi guys, unfortunately, I have to be the bearer of bad news on the topic of how to remove Meta AI from your Instagram. As I pointed out in the WhatsApp video, it is the same story here. You cannot remove Meta AI from the current version of Instagram. You can again opt for uninstalling your current version of Instagram and installing an older version of Instagram before the Meta AI update. But again, you would have to find a trusted source, and there are not many, especially when it comes to Android APKs. So be careful when looking for older versions of Instagram. Also consider that they might not be compatible with the current version of Android. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to drop us a like and hit subscribe.